In an earlier chapter, we went over the HTML style attribute. But did you know HTML also has elements for defining text with a special meaning? Of course not. That's why you're watching this video. See these HTML elements. They correspond to formatting output, like bold or italic text, respectively. But it goes beyond bold or italics. There are many different ways to display special types of text. Let's start with the B and strong elements. B defines a bold text without any extra importance. Strong defines strong text. This indicates important text and is usually displayed as bold in the browser. Next is the I and EM elements. I defines italic text, while EM defines emphasized text. One important thing to note is that browsers display strong as B and EM as I, but there's a difference in the meaning of these tags. B and I defines bold and italic text, but strong and EM means that the text is important as well. Next comes small. It does exactly what you're thinking, makes text smaller. Then there's the mark element. This element defines marked or highlighted text. There are also elements that define deleted and inserted text. Use the DEL element, which defines deleted or removed text. Then there are subscripted text and superscripted text. SUB is for subscripted and SUP is for superscripted. Doesn't get much easier than that. Just to recap, here are the different HTML text formatting elements and how they can change any text.